Hello. Welcome back to this our US and Canada immigration news channel, guys. Today is June 20th of 23, and we're bringing to you this another important news update from USCIS website. This is an amazing news, and we are about to make it public to you. Today is the 20th, like I said, and this update was released just today, a couple of hours ago, and we're bringing the update to you right now. So this is for TPS reinstatement. Okay, so recently, back in 2017, 2018, the TPS designation for Nicaragua, Nepal, Honduras, and El Salvador. Sorry, I was missing that. And El Salvador was recent, okay? It was recent, and so there wasn't any reinstatement, and there wasn't, although it was recent and extended. So right now, they have reinstated back their TPS for these four countries, okay? So you need to understand the difference between reinstatement of the TPS as well as redesignation. Okay, so back in 2017, 2018, the TPS for these four countries was recent. That is, it was not reinstated, but it was extended. So right now, it's been reinstated and also extended for another 18 months. That is a great news. That's an exciting news to our El Salvador friends. El Salvador friends, hey, shout out for you guys, as well as Honduras, Nepal, and Nicaragua friends. Hey, good news for you guys. So that is it for this update. So we'll go ahead, look at the publication, and should you have any question, kindly put on your question in the comment section below. Our next video is going to be on how to reapply for your TPS. That is a comment. We get a lot of comment in some of our past videos requesting for how to reapply for your TPS. Okay, so we have one of our top videos on our channel, which is how to apply for your TPS, but we do not have a video as to how to reapply for your TPS. So definitely that's going to be our next video. And should you kindly want to watch that video, you really want to subscribe so that you don't miss that video when the video becomes public. Okay, yeah, so let's go ahead, look at what the publication is saying. Okay, because it's super detailed, and it has the specific dates that this redesignation and reinstated TPS really applies to. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the update. So it says temporary protected status, that's TPS designation, for El Salvador, Honduras, and Nepal, and Nicaragua, reinstated and extended for another 18 months. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at that. So this is the 20th, I talked about it. So this was released just a couple of hours ago. So let's move on and look at what it is, guys. Okay, so Washington. So the Department of Homeland Security today posted federal registry notice, okay, extending TPS designation of El Salvador, Nicaragua, Honduras, and Nepal for 18 months. This notice follows the decision of the Secretary of Homeland Security, Mayorkas. So he announces it. So the announcement was made on June 13, and it's been registered in the Federal Registry Notice, okay, today. So this is, you need to understand that back in 2017 and 2018, there was termination to their designation, but it was also extended. So right now it's been reinstated and extended. Okay, so the Secretary of Homeland Security consulted with inter-partners, okay, for to considering the ongoing conditions in these four countries. Okay, remember, guys, the Homeland Security is as well constantly monitoring ongoing conflicts within the different countries, and to make sure that they are actually designating the TPS for those who actually due to benefit this TPS. And another thing, remember we made another video, we're talking about what is going on in different countries. Honduras situation is really not the best, so obviously they should be able to benefit from this redesignation. As always, they are saying the Department of Homeland Security is closely monitoring conditions around the world to assess whether new TPS designation are warranted. So TPS beneficiaries under the 4 different countries must re-register to maintain via TPS throughout for the next 18 months. So you cannot just, because you have TPS, you feel like, okay, yeah, you just want to stay since it's been reinstated, or maybe it's been extended. So you feel like, you do not need to re-register. Hey guys, you need to re-register, you need to reapply. That's what I mean. Yeah, you need to reapply in order to continuously be in that state of having your TPS. So that is it. So they said DHS previously extended the availability of TPS-related documentation for current beneficiaries through June 30th of 2024 to ensure continuous compliance with court orders in the litigations. Yeah, there has been some litigations going on as to if they should terminate the TPS designations and all of that. So, but the Department of Homeland Security, they are maintaining the documents to make sure that you can reapply for your TPS. Okay, to make sure that you can reapply for your TPS, although there are litigations going on, but the litigation is ongoing, but you can still go ahead and reapply for your TPS. Do not worry about the litigations, okay, until further news or further notification comes out. So that is why you really want to subscribe, because we do monitor all these publications, all these news, in order to bring it public to you guys in this format, because some of us, we're so busy that we can't maybe have time to look at the website, what is going on. Okay, so that's why we're bringing it online. We know many people are on YouTube and they want to, they can quickly jump on this one via YouTube. So it says that the new notice do not affect that action. Okay, yeah, this new notice do not affect that action. So go ahead, reapply for your TPS. The action is going on for that litigation, but it doesn't affect that at this time. So re-registration is limited to individuals who previously registered for and were granted TPS under the previous designation of El Salvador, Honduras, Nepal, and Nicaragua. Yes, so they are saying that it is only limited to those who were once granted TPS, so they can reapply. It is not designated for new applicants or for initial applicants. Okay, so that is why what you should understand about that. So they say individuals who arrive in the United States after the continuous residence date for these designations are not eligible for TPS. So that is it, it's not available for the initial arrivals. It is only for those who were there on that date. So we're going to look at the date below. So they say their respective continuous residence dates are February 13, 2001. Okay, February 2013 of 2001 for El Salvador, December 30th of 1998 for Honduras, and June 24th of 2015. And for Nepal, it was December 30th of 98 as well for Nicaragua. So watch out, these are the dates that the initial first designation were made. And beneficiary who apply from this day, they benefited this TPS, they have been reapplying for all the multiple extensions. So they're saying that they are still eligible to reapply at this time based on this one. Okay, so those were the cutoff dates. All right, so these are just additional information for your understanding. It says for El Salvador, so it's going to be counted from September 10th of 23 through March 9th of 2025. That is the 18 months window for El Salvador, for that 18 months designation. And so let's go ahead. It says, additionally, so DHS considers that what they're considering that the designation of El Salvador for TPA has been automatically extended in 6 months increments. Okay, since March 9 of 2018 and all of that. So those are a little bit technical, and to say that this is not legal advice for your case. If you see this publication and you feel like, oh, there are a few things that you do not understand, even if you understand, please, this is not a legal advice. If you want a legal advice, please consult with your immigration attorney, or if you need one, kindly let us know in the comment section, and we will be more than happy to provide you with our details, contact information if you want to work with our attorneys. Okay, we have attorneys in the United States and Canada that can work on your immigration situation. But this one right here, right now, is not a legal advice for your case. All right, let's move on for Honduras. So they're saying that DHS is also extending the designation of Honduras for the TPS for 18 months. Okay, so they are saying that their own extension, it runs from January 6th of 2024 through July 5th of 2025. So they are considering that the designation of Honduras for TPA has been automatically extended in 6 months increments since July the 5th of 2018. Okay, so those are just the windows. And they are also trying to spell out what is going to be the number with this designation, how many people are going to benefit. So they're saying that for El Salvador alone, they're expecting that maybe 239,000 people are going to benefit this redesignation and extension, and re-extension, and as well as for Honduras, they're saying that they're expecting that over 76,000 people are going to benefit for this reinstatement and extension. And for Nepal, the window is going to run from December of 25th of 2023 through June 24th of 2025. And they are saying that this extension is going to benefit over 14,500 people. And for Nicaragua, the window is going to run from January the 6th of 2024 through July the 5th of 2025. So because they are considering some automatic extension of 6 months increment since January the 5th of 2018 for Nicaragua. And they expect that close to 4,000 people are going to benefit from this extension for Nicaragua. And that was it, guys, for this session. Kindly let us know in the comment section if there is anything, or maybe if you have any information about this, concerns, questions, kindly put in the comment section. We have an amazing subscribers that can also help out to answer some of your concerns. Thank you, guys. Continue to subscribe, and that is the reason why we do what we do. Thank you, and see you in our next video. That is going to be how to reapply for your TPS, and it's exactly why you should subscribe so that you don't miss out a video when it becomes available. Thank you, guys. Until next time.